Good morning, grade 5, and happy Wednesday. I hope you're all enjoying some time to get rested, but also taking the time to complete all of your assignments for today. So, here is your instructional video on how we organize ourselves. So, yesterday you created your line of inquiry that you're going to inquire into for the rest of this week. So today we're going to start that. We're going to start researching about the line of inquiry that you want to learn more about. So I wanted to just remind everybody of their research skills. So we are focusing on gathering and recording information. So you're going to be finding new information, probably using a variety of sources, and you will be citing your sources at the end of this as well. I also want to remind you to pay attention to websites, .org, .gov. Those are some good ones. Do not use Wikipedia. We know that's not a very trustworthy website. Make sure to record your notes and to write them in your own words, so no plagiarism. And at the end, make sure to record the websites or videos that you used. And I'll remind you how to do that in a few minutes. So today you're going to be researching. And I'm giving you this slide again in case you wanted to use some of these links. Remember, Kiddle is very good. Ducksters is also very good for kid-friendly research. Don't just go to Google. It's not always the easiest way to start and to understand what you're researching. So please start with Kiddle or Ducksters. That would be my recommendation. You can also check out your app, Newsella. There might be some current events articles in there that you also find helpful. Okay, so here's the assignment. You are finding out, and we have decided to give you the categories and using the 4 key concepts. So you're going to write your information in here. So for the form, you need to describe what it is. Now, it's open because you will have a variety of topics. So say, for example, you did choose to inquire into another natural disaster. You could talk about earthquakes here. Or maybe you want to learn more about an organization, describe it here. The causation is what was the impact of your topic. Responsibility, how do people respond? And connection, where does it happen around the world? I'm assuming most of you probably did choose another natural disaster to inquire into. So these questions should be very similar to what we did for your first one. So you will spend some time filling in these 4 boxes, answering those questions. Then I want to remind everybody that as researchers and with our research skills, we also need to cite our sources. And we often call this a bibliography. So remember, for grade 5, here are the requirements. If you used a website, make sure to copy the link. If you do use a book, maybe you have some at home, make sure to have the title and the author. And if you use a video, please make sure to include the name of the video and the date it was created, and also include the link. And you can keep track of your sources on this assignment page. Okay, so that's it for today. Again, you are answering these 4 questions about your line of inquiry, and you're keeping track of all the sources that you used. I would suggest using at least 2 to 3 would be a good start. Okay, so that's your assignment for today. I hope everyone gets all of their work done and has some time to relax with friends and family. Have a great day, boys and girls.